Good day everyone, my name is Homer G. Dumdumaya from Btvted 2D FSMB, and for today's video ay gagawa tayo ng ating tinatawag na chicken soup at ito ang ating mga ingredients.
So we have 55 grams butter, 2 onions sliced, 2 sticks celery finely chopped, 2 carrots finely diced, 22 grams of plain flour mixed, 1.2 liters or 2 pints of chicken stock, cooked chicken skinned and shredded, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, and last is salt and freshly ground black pepper.
Ngayon ay alam nyo na ang ating mga ingredients. Ngayon ay tutungan mo tayo sa ating procedure. So let's go!
So first, we have melt the butter in a large saucepan over a minimum heat and gently fry the onion, celery, and carrots until they start to soften. So next, stir in the flour and cook for 2 minutes. Then add the chicken stock and bring the mixture to the boil, stirring as you do. Season with salt and pepper, and then reduce the heat until the mixture is simmering, and simmer for 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. After 10 minutes, add the cooked chicken and cook until the heated through. Also, you can adjust the seasoning and depends it on your taste. Lastly is stir in the parsley, and a few seconds you can now serve our soup. So ready na ang ating chicken soup.
So ito na po ang ating chicken soup. Ayan. So tiktikman po natin. Sarap. So maraming salamat sa aking panonood ng aking video, and sana may natutunan kayo. And kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod dating video at pagluluto. So ingat, stay safe. Bye-bye!